Hi guys, welcome back. This week we're going to be cooking a healthy spaghetti carbonara, and if you stay to the end, we'll give you some top tips, or Tina will give you some top tips on how we both have lost 14 pounds each in the last 5 weeks by following a healthy diet. So stay tuned to the end. Okay, so we are making spaghetti carbonara, but before we do, I have to introduce you to the one and only, the great Tina.
Hi.
Everybody's asked who she is, and she's here, right here. She just doesn't want to be on camera. Okay, so both Tina and I have lost 14 pounds, 6 kilos over the last 5 weeks, and if you stay tuned to the end, we will give you top tips. Actually, I won't give you top tips. Tina will give you top tips on how to lose weight and how to continue to lose weight. Okay then, so let's talk about spaghetti carbonara. So this version is gluten-free because we use gluten-free spaghetti, but you can use normal spaghetti if you're scared of gluten-free or don't like gluten-free. And it's 500 calories a portion, as I've said. It costs £2 each portion to buy. This is an easy recipe to put together, and it takes 15 minutes, I believe. Right, let's get on with cooking it. Teen, grab a saucepan. Okay, Teen, so we need to, boil some water?
Yeah, bring the water to the boil and cook your spaghetti according to the pack instructions.
Okay, so are we going to be making the rest of the recipe while the spaghetti's boiling? What's happening? I don't understand. What's happening?
Yes. So while the spaghetti's cooking, we need to grill the bacon.
Right.
And we need to make the saucy bit.
At the same time?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get some water boiling. Okay, so the water's boiling.
Okay, so we're going to add the spaghetti.
Okay. So Teen, we're putting the stats last now. Why are we doing that?
Well, we had a few comments on the first film.
Oh yeah.
Saying that they just wanted to see the cooking.
So we're doing that first.
Yeah.
Right. Anyway, we're using a fork on the spaghetti. What's that all about?
Well, we just need to make sure that we push all the spaghetti into the water, otherwise it'll just stay hard. Yes. So we're going to do the bacon.
Bacon on it. Okay, Teen, I'm over on the other side of the cooker. It's not far. It's only about that far. Bacon.
Okay, so we're just going to fry that up.
Okay, so put the bacon in.
Yep.
Away we go.
Okay.
So Teen, with the bacon, I know that you've got a top tip you want to share with everybody with prepping the bacon, don't you?
Yeah, so we use scissors.
Oh right, that's interesting.
It just makes it a lot easier. So there I'm just going to cut off the fat and then cut the bacon into chunks.
That is amazing. And the scissors are just normal kitchen scissors?
Yep.
And chop, chop, chop.
Absolutely.
What do we do here?
Okay, so you've got your eggs in the bowl.
Yes, I've got my eggs in the bowl.
Okay, add the fromage frais.
Add the fromage frais. Okay, yep.
And half of the parmesan.
So 2
tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, level.
Yeah.
Okay.
And mix that all together.
Okay, will we stir this tea? You got any top tips for beating eggs?
Yeah, so once you've broken them into the bowl, is just pierce the yolks with a fork before you start whisking them.
That's awesome.
It just helps stop them just moving around all over the bowl. Okay, that's probably enough.
Right, done. Okay, Teen, so the spaghetti's cooked and the sauce is made. I guess we need to drain the spaghetti. Where you gone?
Yep.
Okay, Teen, while we're draining the spaghetti together, which is best done with 2, what are we going to do with the rest of the parmesan? We only used half of it.
Oh, well, we sprinkle it over the top when you've dished up.
Okay, team, so the spaghetti's cooked and drained. we got this sauce.
The heat of the spaghetti will cook the eggs.
Got it. So we need to cook the eggs with the hot spaghetti.
Yep. And then you're going to add your bacon.
And that's it.
Yep. And serve.
Bish bash bosh. So now the spaghetti's drained and hot. What's going on here, team?
So we're going to put in the fromage, frais, egg and parmesan mixture.
But only half the parmesan.
Only half the parmesan was in the mixture, yes.
Because we're saving the other half to put on the top once we finish.
That's right, yep.
Yep. So we're stirring with a fork.
Yep, we're just mixing it through and now we're adding the bacon.
So now the eggs are cooked with the heat from the spaghetti.
That's it, yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so chuck in the bacon.
Yep.
Stir it up. And it's as simple as that.
That's it, it's done. Ready to serve.
So serve it onto a plate, sprinkle on the chives.
Yep, and your extra parmesan.
So team, tell me, what did you think of the taste of this?
I just thought it was absolutely delicious. It's really quick and simple. Great midweek meal.
All right, I think that pretty much sums it up. Thanks, team. So COVID-19 has been pretty depressing for a lot of people, being locked in and not being able to do what we want to do. But there are lots of groups out there, especially on Facebook, who are, I think, putting smiles on our face. And I want to make a mention. I want to mention one group in particular called Bin Isolation Outing on Facebook. Go and have a look at their group. It really brought a smile to my face, and it's so much so actually I dressed up as a Spider-Man and a toy soldier maybe 6 weeks ago. I'll put a link in the comments down below. Please go have a look because they're great, and support them. Give them a few thumbs up and a few likes. Fine everybody, so that was spaghetti carbonara. I think that's pretty good. You think that's good, Ting?
Yeah.
You enjoy it?
Tasty.
Very tasty. She thought it was tasty. I thought it was tasty. And if you don't like creamy sauces, this one's not too creamy. So I know there's a few people out there who don't like creamy sauces. This is the one for you. Okay, team. Well, while the stats are on the screen showing the folks the recipe, I promised everybody you would come up with a top tip to lose weight. What is your top tip?
Planning.
Oh, planning.
So plan what you want to eat.
Yep.
Plan your menu.
Yep.
Write your shopping list from your menu.
Yeah, okay.
And then when you go shopping, stick to your shopping list.
So do you plan 7 days?
I do. Sometimes people find that a bit difficult. So even if you planned 3 days or 2 days, whatever you need to do. But yeah, just making sure you stick to your shopping list once you've written it.
So plan your menu, write your shopping list from your menu, stick to your menu, stick to your shopping list. That sounds like a really good tip. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please remember to subscribe, hit the like button and make a comment down below. And remember to check out Bin Isolation Outing. And we'll see you next time when, team, we're going to be cooking another dish, aren't we?
We will be.
We don't know what it is yet, but it's going to be awesome. And it will help you lose weight because it'll be healthy and low in calories. Till next time, cheers. Say bye, team.
Bye.
What's it again we're doing?
Spaghetti carbonara.
Spaghetti carbonara.